Good morning, Year 2, and happy Friday to everybody. It's the last maths lesson of the week. So we're going to start off with a warm-up again today, all involving counting, because it will be useful again for our maths today. So we're going to practice counting backwards this time from 20. So we're going to start off by counting backwards from 20, and you can join in with me this time. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Next one, can you count backwards this time, starting on 20, counting all the way back to 0, but this time I'm not going to join in with you. So pause the video here and count backwards from 20. Right, now we've practiced counting backwards all the way from 20 to 0. Let's try by starting on a different number. So we'll do one together to begin with, and then I'll give you a chance to do some on your own. So this time we're going to start on the number 13. So starting on 13 and counting backwards. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So well done for everyone joining in there. This time you're going to do it on your own. So can you start on the number 15 and count backwards to 0? So pause the video. Right, now we've counted back from 20, we've counted back from 13, we've counted back from 15. This time, can you count back from the number 18 all the way to the number 0? So starting on 18, 17, and pause the video. Well done. And the final one today, can you start on the number 19 and count all the way back to 0? So pause the video. So well done for all your lovely counting this morning. Right, our main maths lesson today for you all to complete is we are learning to solve simple subtraction word problems. So subtraction. Remember, subtract means take away, and it has this sign. So imagine there was a problem and Miss Mole has some sweets and she gave some away. That would be subtracting because she has got rid of some. Or maybe she had a garden full of squirrels and some of them ran away. That would be subtracting because the number has got less, it has got fewer. So here is our word problem, and it's similar to yesterday's work where you've got some pictures to help you. Remember, you can find the numbers in the number sentence or in the problem at the top. So Miss Mole had 6 apples. And you can see those down below. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Miss Mole had 6 apples. She ate 2 of them. How many does she have left? So here are my 6 apples, and think about what we talked about earlier on in the week with take away, how we can cross out the ones that have been taken away. So this is 1 apple that Miss Mole ate. Maybe I ate it in the morning at snack time. And here's my 2nd apple that I ate. Maybe it was at lunchtime. So I had 6, and now I've crossed out the 2 that I'm taking away. How many do I have left? I can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 4. Now, just like the other day, we can write this as a subtraction number sentence. And remember that subtract has this symbol. So how many apples did I start with? Oh, altogether I started off with 6 apples. And then I took some away because I gobbled them up for my snack and my lunch. So 6, take away 2. I took 2 of them away. I ate 2 of them. And then my answer was 4. So 6 apples, I ate 2 of them, I took them away, and there are 4 left. So let's have a look to see if that matches my number sentence under my green blob. Yes, 6, take away 2, and then I just need to write in the answer of 4. So now it's time for you to have a go with the problem. So can you pause the video while you go and find a whiteboard or some pens or paper to have a go at solving the problem? Right, now you're ready to have a look at this problem. It says there were 10 sheep in the field. So I'm going to underline that 10 because that's a useful number to remember for my number sentence later. There were 10 sheep in the field, but 3 of them, I'm going to underline that as well, 3 ran away. How many sheep are left in the field? So here are my 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take 3 of them away. So pause the video and have a go at solving this yourself. You could draw the 10 sheep if you wanted to, or you could draw 10 dots, and then remember, cross out the 3 that ran away. So pause the video. Right, so I'm going to have a go at doing my workings out this time. So here are my 10, and I could cross 1 out that ran away, 2 out that ran away, and 3 out that ran away. And let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 left. Now again, I could write this as a number sentence. So 10, and we're taking away 3. So we're starting off with that bigger number because that's how many we started with, 10 sheep in the field. We're taking away 3 that ran away, and the answer, it equals 7 because there are 7 left. Now, I didn't have to use the pictures because maybe there isn't a printer at home. You could draw the workings out instead. You could look at them on the screen. You could draw your own 10 sheep, or you could draw your 10 dots, which is just what I'm doing here. I'm going to quickly count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can cross 3 of them out. And you can see that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left here as well. So there are other ways that you could solve it without using the picture. Now I'm just going to check that my number sentence matches the one underneath. And well done if you did get the answer 7. So time for you to have a go at one more number sentence on your boards before we go on to our work. So I'll read it out loud, and I've got my picture here at the bottom. It says, Mrs. Halligan put 16 pieces of paper out on the tables. Unfortunately, the wind blew 5 of them on the floor. How many are still on the table? So here are the 16, and you're taking 5 away. And I will underline those numbers in our question just to remind you what those numbers are. So first of all, can you work out the answer for me? So pause the video while you work it out. Right, let's have a look. So 16, take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's see what's left. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 pieces of paper left on the table. Now, final part of this challenge is, what is the subtraction number sentence? So pause the video and have a go at writing down the take away the subtraction number sentence. Okay, now you've had a chance to write your subtraction number sentence. Let's reveal the answer. So well done if you correctly wrote the number sentence 16 take away 5 equals 11. Let's have a look at our WILF for today. So our WILF, what am I looking for? I can subtract numbers from 20. So that could be using either dots to help you with your working out, or you can use the pictures that will be on the problems. I can solve subtraction word problems. So can you understand what they're asking and solve them to find the answer? And that challenge is just like we've been doing together then, that you can write the subtraction number sentence for each question. And remember, this bit down here is the subtraction number sentence. The 16 take away 5 equals 11 using the subtract and the equal sign. So your problem today is really similar layout to yesterday, where we've got the instructions at the top. Read these simple subtraction word problems and work out the answers. Use the pictures to help you to understand the problem and work out the answers. Challenge, write the subtracting number sentence for each of the questions. So you've got your question at the top, and then you've got some pictures to help you, and you will just cross out and take away however many have disappeared in each question. And you could write your number sentence over here. But remember, if you haven't got a printer at home, that's okay. You can still use the screen to look at the workings out or look at the pictures, work out the answer and write it on a piece of paper instead. So I'll read this first one out to you so you can get started. If you had 5 birds in your garden and one of them flew away, how many birds would you have left? So how would you work out the answer? Show it to me, and then you can write down your number sentence as part of your challenge. So good luck with your final maths task of this week, and I hope that you have a lovely weekend.